Samsung Galaxy S10 launch event was absolutely stunning. We got to see a lot of amazing smartphones. I was personally really impressed by Samsung new launch of smartphones and literally look absolutely stunning. But now that's over. We putting that aside, the Galaxy Note 10 leaks and rumors also be very first 3D images are just out and they're really impressive and they give you a very first perspective of what the Galaxy Note 10 is gonna be look like. If you look at the front panel of Samsung Galaxy Note 10, you will see it does support Infinity O display. Similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you do get the side curve just slightly. The screen just in the display will measure about 6.6 inch to 6.75 inch, which is absolutely massive. Note series are usually 0.1 or 0.2 inch bigger than S series. The Galaxy Note 10 no doubt having an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, given that the rest of 10th anniversary range have it, and the screen will protected by Gorilla Glass 6. We can see the render that Phone Arena are pretending the dual camera setup on the front with 4 camera on the rear. It's rumored that we will get a 12 megapixel sensor with standard field of view and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens for 2 times optical zoom, a 16 megapixel wide angle and a time of flight sensor for depth, and this will also allow 3D render, augmented reality and improved gesture control. People are reporting rumor of a front-facing camera in the display, but reports are still suggesting that the technology is not ready, so this is unlikely to happen in the time for Note 10. Of course, we don't know if the Samsung are gonna be change the position or shape of heart rate sensor, but Phone Arena has come up with a more render approach that does fit the device well. When it's come to color, we will hoping for another gradient range in Note 10, will of course including a new S Pen. That's S Pen have been very popular and one of my favorite things about Note series. In terms of hardware, it will no doubt be using the Snapdragon 855 with 8GB and 12GB RAM. Of course, 128GB, 512GB or 1TB of storage. It will of course come with Android 9.0 with One UI. Battery capacity will no doubt be increased. It will of course come with a hybrid SIM tray for SIM card and extra storage, and it will no doubt be IP68 water resistant. That's all guys. I like to know your thought down in the comment below. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.